Welcome to your channel name. In today's video, we're diving into how you can start trading gold and cryptocurrencies in 2025. I'll break it down step by step, so whether you're a complete beginner or have dabbled a bit, you'll leave with a clear path forward. Gold, a timeless asset. Gold has proven its value in uncertain times. With rising inflation and global tensions, 2025 could see a spike in gold prices. Crypto. Despite volatility, cryptocurrencies are evolving as a major asset class. Innovations like Bitcoin ETFs and the expansion of blockchain utility are game changers. Step-by-step guide to starting. Step 1. Understand the basics. For gold, learn about physical gold coins, bars versus ETFs or gold trading accounts. For crypto, know the difference between major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. Step 2. Choose the right platform. For gold, platforms like Platformer or Platform B make trading easy and secure. For crypto, go for reliable exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Step 3. Open a demo account. Practice risk-free before investing real money. This helps you understand price movements. Step 4. Develop a strategy. Gold. Watch market news, interest rates, and inflation data. Crypto. Focus on technical analysis, news updates, and your risk tolerance. Step 5. Start small and scale. Invest money you won't afford to lose. Start small and build confidence.